Hello everybody, today in front of me I have VIVO Y35, and in this video I would like to demonstrate how you can set up and configure the parental control function on this device. So first of all, you gotta launch settings, then enter the Google category. In here, make sure that no accounts are currently associated with this device. If you have any, just unlink them or remove them from the system. Once you've done that, open the parental control section at the same Google category of settings. In here, tap on the blue Get Started button, go for the child or teenager option, click on Next. Now you gotta add the child's Google account that you would like to use. So I'll do exactly that. Let me quickly enter the credentials of the screen. So it is also worth mentioning that obviously the child has to not know the password to the used account, since if she or he does, they will be able to very easily bypass the parental control and turn it off. So make sure that the password is something the child does not know. So once you have logged into the child's account, click on the I agree button. Onwards, accept the Google services. The account will appear right over here where you want to choose it. Then enter the credentials for the parent's account or the account that will be used for supervising the child, which I'll do off the screen real quick as well. So next, you will be able to get to know the features and what basically the parents will be able to see and do. So what restrictions they can apply, as well as what limits, whatever. So if you would like to read this little instruction, just go for it. Afterwards, once you're ready to proceed, scroll the page all the way down. Do not be afraid, you will not have as many devices as I have. Apparently, if that's your first time setting up the parental control, you will not have any at all. So scroll the page all the way down, enter the password to child's account once again, which I'll do off the screen, obviously. Once the password is entered, tap on the blue agree button, then confirm the account linkage by tapping on the allow option over here. Now we'll wait for the accounts to get properly linked. Then click on Next. Here you can preemptively or prematurely manage what apps will be enabled or respectively disabled. You'll be able to do it later, so if you are not ready to do it just yet, just skip the step by simply going for the next option. Then you can also manage filters and content restrictions over here, which you'll also be able to do in the future, so you can skip this step. At the Manage Parental Controls page, you have two options from here. If the device that is in bold text over here, you can just tap on the install. If the device that is in bold over here is the smartphone that you'll use for the supervision, so the system has gotten correctly, you can just go for the install family link option over here. In my case, it is not true, so I'll just skip this step and manually install the app on my parent's smartphone. So I'll skip the installation. We are all set. If we'll go to the Google category of settings again and enter the parental controls, we'll see that they are active. Now just take the smartphone that you were that you were to use for the supervision. Make sure that it has the parent's Google account linked to it, associated with it. Then open the Play Store. At the search bar, type in family link. Download the app. Then launch it. Here choose the parent's account once again. That is made in case you have multiple accounts associated with the device, but I have only one, so that's gonna work for me. And now we are at the child activity management page. As you can see, the proper device is chosen. That is VIVO Y35. We can set up some daily limits for it, the downtime, the time frames in which the device can be accessed. Then set up the app limits, enable or disable apps, set the time frames for the app usage, as well as enforce the content restrictions, change and configure account settings, and manage the devices. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it as far as the setup of Family Link goes in this video. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye-bye.